Hi there, welcome back to the Divine Appetit. Today we're going to show you how you could get rid of this and make your own. Stick with us. We're going to get going here with a good amount of avocado oil. And we're going to soften up these vegetables. We got some carrots. Celery and onion. Okay, now we're going to add our spices. Some salt, pepper, parsley, and thyme. Now a splash of white wine as the glaze. Okay, now we're going to get some butter in here. Melt it down, and we're going to thicken this up with a little butter and flour. You could use arrowroot or whatever you feel good with. Cornstarch slurry, but we're going to go with this. Now we're going to add our organic chicken stock. I'm going to hold back on a little bit of it until I see what the thickness is at the end. And I have a jar of white meat chicken that I canned, which also has some liquid in it too. That's why I want to hold back on the broth part. If you don't have canned chicken, you could buy it in a can, or you could get fresh chicken and saute it if you want.
How many ounces do they need, babe?
I think that's roughly 2 cups in there. It's a quart jar, so.
Perfect.
Okay, we're going to bring this back up to a boil. And then we're going to turn it down and let it simmer again. Check the tenderness of our vegetables, probably about a half hour. And once again, garlic took a hit again today. I forgot to put that in at the end of the softening of the vegetables. So we're going to add a little bit of garlic. And some better than bouillon chicken bouillon. Let that simmer up a little bit. We're done simmering. Our carrots are soft. Now we're going to put the cream in and heat it through. This one come out nice and thick. We're going to let it cool down again and jar it up.
How long do you think it'll take for that to incorporate, babe?
Not long.
Okay.
Well, this certainly came out good and tasty. Now we're going to jar it up and get it in the freezer. It's a really nice consistency, nice and thick.
Are you going to tell them what we did, babe? Guys, we had a bowl of this. It was amazing. So we're going to have a few less jars than we normally would, but it was just, I really do hope you make this. Honestly, this is the best cream of chicken soup I've ever had. What a good recipe. Thank you so much for watching us today.
And God bless.
Amen.